Play is absolutely central to a child's learning and development, and here at Ysgol Bryn Castell it is the heart of everything we do. It allows children to develop their communication skills, their physical skills, their emotional and social abilities. It helps them to feel loved and safe and happy, which ultimately is the most important thing. So play is that lifeblood that kind of pulls everything else together.
We have learners in our class from the ages of 7 to 16. There are 7 children, all with a diagnosis of autistic spectrum disorder. Play serves as a vehicle for learning new skills whilst also transferring knowledge and skills through the natural, authentic and meaningful play.
Play and play-based learning for me sit along a continuum of play being more unstructured and child-led, and then play-based learning being more adult-led play. It might be something as simple as we've got blocks and trains set up, wanting them to do a building activity like construction, so looking at how to build a structure, getting a base or making a bridge. But the young people might not want to even try that, so then an adult would sit down and do the activity, but narrating it themselves. So, oh, I'm going to build a tower now, and oh, I'm going to take a train and I'm going to go all the way across. And then you notice that a young person is, starting to be a little bit interested in what you're doing, and then you might invite them, oh, which one of these shall I use? So you're not telling them to come in, but you're acknowledging their engagement, which in itself is the first step to engaging and learning to play. I think it's about accepting children for who and where they are, and the curriculum for Wales is great for that, because it has freed everybody up to be able to say, well, I'm not bound by the constriction of I've got to teach this by this point. Yes, we still have to cover curriculum, but schools are able to develop a curriculum that is far more pupil-led, which we've always done because it's the only way we've been able to help our learners. So I think schools can just benefit from just give an environment where your pupils feel free and happy and safe, and then the pupils will give you everything. They will give you everything and more that you need.